This is a one-bed, one-bath located in the Lord Simcoe Apartments at 4982 Chrysler Avenue. Starting at the entrance, there is a sliding door closet on the immediate left. Throughout this suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. On the right is a spacious dining room. Next to the dining room is the kitchen. The galley kitchen includes a fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. Ahead of the entrance is the living room. On the back wall, the living room features two glass sliding doors with window coverings that lead onto the balcony. On the right of the living room is a hallway that bends left. At the end of the hallway is the primary bedroom. Just prior to the primary bedroom, there is a closet to the right. The primary bedroom features a window with a rolling shade on the back left wall. On the immediate right, there is a sliding door closet. Right of the primary bedroom is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features two drawers and a cupboard below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting.